Hi viewers, good morning. I'm Gopal, English and life skill trainer, function English and life skills trainer. Today in this video we are discussing about an articles. Okay, what are the articles? Articles are two kinds, mainly articles a and the. A and the called articles. It is also called demonstrative adjectives. Which adjectives? Demonstrative adjectives. Okay, these articles are divided into two kinds. How many kinds? Two kinds. They are first is definite article, the indefinite article a an. Definite article means it is particular so and so, but indefinite article a or an, it is the meaning of any or any one. Remember, the means particular person, particular thing, particular bird or anything else, it is particular. A and indefinite articles means anyone. There is no particular things or man in this. Okay, now it's okay. Then articles in completely a and the we discussed. The is definite article, a and we call indefinite articles. Then let us see that uses of a. In articles we have to think only, we have to count the sounds of the word. So a indefinite article a, where we are using before singular countable common noun. Singular countable common noun begin with consonant sounds. Remember, a is used before consonant sounds and also consonant letters. But remember, sounds is important. Okay, let us see some example. A pen, a bag, a fan, a book, a table, etc. Means we will see that pen, pa, p is in consonant letter. And also second b consonant, f consonant, again b and again t. These are the consonant letters and also consonant sounds producing. Okay, see, like in second uses you can see some letters beginning with some words beginning with h, y and u. A horse, ha. A historical novel, a human being. It is completely ha, this ha, and from that it's creating new words. So before this kind of words we have to use a. Why? Because it is producing consonant sounds. And come to the y, it is completely ya sound. A yard, yellow paper, a young man, like it is completely ya sound. Let us see u, in ya again u, like a useful thing, a unit, a European, a union. Like even though the letter u is in vowel letter, but the sound is pronouncing as a u, ya. So that we are using a before union, before unit, before European also. Okay, understood? Then come to the next. Some letters, even though they are in vowel letters, but producing consonant sounds, like in same, like in wa, w sound. Okay, see that a 1 rupee note Okay, a one-legged sailor, a one-man army, a 1 rupee note. These kind of, even ONE, O is consonant vowel, but producing consonant like wa, so that before one we are using a. Understood? Then come to the next uses. Before the, in the sentence of exclamatory sentence we can use, like some example: what a beautiful girl she is, what a pity, what a beautiful garden is. Like in articles, before exclamatory sentence, I mean in exclamatory sentence a we used. And also some abbreviations, a is used before some abbreviation, it's a BSc. Like in some abbreviations producing consonant sounds, before we can use article a. Let us see some example for practice.